a trickster. Ha ha. He's a trickster. Yeah. Give me all your money. Hanging out with the wrong bank. Hey, you know how to get a Trinity Credit Union bank? I must have just missed it by a couple miles, but you know how to get there?
Yeah. If you look right there, see there's a little car right there. And if you turn around and look at me, I'll show you.
He's a trickster. Yeah. He's a trickster. He likes to trick people. Yeah.
Shut up. That's not even funny anymore. Okay, I'm sick and tired of saying it.
It's a trickster.
Shut up.
He's a trickster.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I would shoot you.
Dude. Go.